You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name, originally from French, and in French it has a double dot on the I, meaning that the I and the O make separate sound. They both have their own individual sound. Loic, that's how it's said in French, Loic. In English, Loic, Loic. Adjutant, adjutant. Stress on the first syllable, adjutant. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.